Well, hello there, friends. Another Potato Monday. We're making potato bread today. Not to be, right? Potato Monday. So, friends, this is delicious. This is like a brioche bread. It's buttery, it's creamy, it's soft. Oh, it is amazing. You're gonna love it. This is perfect for sandwich, perfect for French toast, perfect for just having a piece of bread. You're gonna love it. I'm glad you're here. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the bell. Stay tuned. We're doing it right now, friends. Okay, friends, well, this is an exciting one. Potato bread. Kind of like a brioche bread without all the hoo-la-la complicated deal to make a brioche bread. It's very simple. If you made the pain de mie, it's about the same deal. Very simple also, except we're going to bake it in a regular loaf pan because a lot of you do not have the pain de mie thing, so I figure it'll work in here perfectly well. So, friends, this is a very simple recipe, potato bread. We need potatoes. So guess what? Oh, I forgot a whisk. You know, I always forget something. Video wouldn't be the same if I didn't forget anything. I got 140 grams of mashed potatoes. Not mashed potatoes, just boiled potatoes. You can bake them, you can boil them. About 140 grams. The recipe is in grams because, you know, when I bake, I like to have it in perfect. It's easier in grams, but I also give you the imperial measurement. I got about 4.5 ounces, which is about 140 grams of warm milk. Makes it easier to incorporate it. I have about, I think it's, but don't quote me, I think it's 40 grams of butter, and it's very soft butter, okay? I left some over here, and I don't like to leave any butter. You know, I bet it's gonna be on a spatula now. Yeah, just about. All right, so, you know, I don't like to leave any butter right there. We have 7 grams of instant rapid yeast. 7 grams of it, which is the whole thing. The whole thing right there. The whole little envelope. We have 7 grams of salt. We're gonna mix the whole thing, don't worry. It works just fine. We have sugar. We have, I think it's 25 grams of sugar and 1 whole egg. Very simple. The potatoes, friend, just boil the potatoes. Take a big potato and boil it. Mix this up really good, okay? You're not gonna believe how simple it is to make this bread, friends. It really is. And it's so nice and soft and buttery, and it really is. It's beautiful too. And it makes amazing sandwiches and French toast. And I'm telling you, it's like a brioche bread without all the hoopla of making it. It's not complicated at all, friends. Let me get a spatula. We're going to take all this and we're going to put it in our bowl. Now this, friends, you don't have to have one of those mixers, but I promise you, it'll make your life a lot easier. You know, I should have done this. It's easier. There you go. A lot easier to do it this way. Sometimes I worry about you not seeing in front of the camera, and I probably messed it all up for Jack because he was ready with the thing in there. So look, we're going to put the flour in there, friends. The flour is pre-weighed 390 grams of bread flour. Okay, I'm leaving the machine right here. And we're going to go in. So like I said, 390 grams of bread flour. Make sure you weigh. So now, friends, we're going to mix it up. And what's going to happen is, at the beginning, you're going to say, oh, this is never going to happen. This is never going to mix correctly. Trust me, friends, it will. At the beginning, it looks like it's not going to happen. It's going to stick to the side of it. But I promise you, within 2 or 3 minutes, it's going to become like a nice ball of dough. And we need to work it. We need to work it a good 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Now, yes, you can do it by hand and roll the dough and knead the dough, and it's not that complicated of a process. But if you have one of those, friends, this is your best friend. And also remember to use the dough hook. Okay, that's very important, not the spatula. those, the paddle. You want to use the dough hook. So you see right now, friend, it's not together. So I am going to just let it do its thing. And when it's all together, I'm going to count about 5-6 minutes. And I'm going to let it do its thing. I'll reduce the speed to go a little slowly. If it happens to you, then it becomes 2 balls. Stop it, put it back together, and let it work again, okay? But you want to make sure you work it for a good 7 minutes. You see what's going to happen, friends? Right now, it's still stuck in the bottom of the bowl, everywhere on the side and all that. In about a minute from now, or 2 minutes at the most, the bottom of the bowl is going to be nice and clear, okay? So we're going to let it do its thing, all right? Okay, friends, we're a good 7 minutes, and I'm not even exhausted. So, I saw it a few times. We were looking at it. It almost separated, but it didn't. I wanted to show you what happened if it does, but it didn't. So, you should be able to smell it. It smells wonderful. And, of course, my thing is stuck. I can't see. There we go. Well, I can't see either. What is wrong with me? Wow. Can't take my dough hook off. What is going on? I'll be done. Oh, technical issues. There you go. I was turning it the wrong way. You know, it's always operator error. Always operator error. There you go. All right, friends. So look. It's only been 50 years. You think I know how to do it? Ah, no. No, always something. Let's take a corn, take it out of there, but it shouldn't stick at all. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful dough, my friends. It's gorgeous. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit of bread flour, very little, put it on the counter, and at this point I don't need to do anything to it. Okay, I just need to check it to make sure it's nice. It's nice. It's beautiful. You see. It stretches, beautiful. You can almost do the transparency test. It broke a little bit, but it's fine. It's nice. All right, my friends. All we're going to do now is we're going to roll it. We're going to roll it on itself. There you go. My goodness. Here you go. We're going to flip it on the other side. Nothing fancy here, friends. It's beautiful. Let's make sure the end is closed really good. See, pinch it, flip it on the other side. We'll take a little bit of flour, put it on top, put it on the bottom. Now we're going to take a bowl, right there. That's it, my friends. Now at this point, you could cover it, keep it in a warm place. I'm going to put it in my proofer. I got my proofer set up at 78 degrees. It'll make it easier. We're going to proof it until it doubles in size. Doubles in size. By the time it's doubled in size, we're going to butter this dish. We're going to put it in here again. We're going to let it proof, double in size, and we'll bake it in the oven. All right, so I'll be back in a few minutes when this is double the size. It's going to take about 45 minutes to an hour. All right. Okay, it's double the size. I'm going to take it out of the proofer. If you don't have a proofer, folks, take it in the bedroom. It's usually warmer in there. All right, look, see? Double the size. Ooh, let me take my corn. Actually, we call it a corn in France. I forgot what you call it here. Ah, mamma mia. So this is beautiful. Look at this. Gorgeous, eh? So we take the pretty side and we put it down. Okay? Now, resist the temptation, friends, to put more flour, okay? Resist the temptation to put more flour, please. Okay? We're going to roll it as a triangle. No, not a triangle. A rectangle. We're going to... And then I'm going to roll it on itself. Really, no big deal, right? You take it, roll it. See right there? Now, the size of the mold, friends, this is a regular loaf pan. I buttered it. All right? And then I'm going to roll it in there. That's it. Just really simple. See, look. Really simple. No big deal. Put it in. Roll it in there. See, look. Roll it in there. Really simple, friends. You see, look. Get in there. Pinch at the bottom of it. Pinch the bottom of it. Make sure it's nice and pinched. Look. Look at this. Look at this. Is that beautiful or what? Now we're going to take this, my friends. We're going to put it right back in there. And don't worry about it. It'll find its way. This is very simple. And then, friends, I'm going to take this guy. I'm going to put it back in the proofer right there. One more time until it doubles in sizes. Oh, got it the wrong way. And I have it now at 80 degrees. It took a good hour. So take your time, relax, okay? And again, we want it to double in size. So it's going to be almost filled up. And then in about, since it's going to take about an hour, in about a half hour from now, I'm going to turn on my oven, 350. And it's going to cook for 40 minutes, all right? We're going to write all that down in a recipe so we'll have it. I'll see you when I put it back in the oven in about an hour. Okay, friends, take it out of the proofer. And voila, it's ready to go. We're not going to do anything to it. We're just going to pop it in the oven. Remember, the oven is preheated at 350. I'm going to go in there 40 minutes. Voila, right in the middle. Oh, the fan also, if you have a convection oven, that makes it easier to get a nice brown color on top of it, the fan. All right? I'll see you in about 45 minutes. Okay, friends, it's been 35 minutes. 35, 40 minutes, you know, you watch it, 35 minutes. Take it out. Ooh, it's hot. We're going to leave it right there, and we're going to turn the oven off. You know, if I don't turn it off, does it happen to you? Leave the oven on? I do it all the time. So what I'm going to do, friends, I'm going to take it out, and ooh, it comes right out, and we got a beautiful bread. So you know what I like to do? I like to put a little butter in there. Yeah, just a little bit. Maggie, give it a little shine on there. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this, my friends. Yeah, is that beauty or what? That's a beauty. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. You see? Now you can put it everywhere, your butter. Or you can just, you know, it's up to you. Put it wherever you want it. I think wherever there's butter, there's happiness. Yeah. You know, somebody left a comment and says, how is it then you guys eat so much butter and you have less heart attack than some other country? I think it's all the wine we drink that offset the fat of the butter and all that stuff. So anyway, here we got it, my friend. I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to give it a good butter thing. And then I'll come back and we'll cut it. We'll see what it looks like on the inside. Be back in a minute, my friend. Okay. Now we got to cut it. Buttery. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, beautiful. You see, it's nice, soft, buttery. You can make a big slice, or you can even make a very thin slices. You see, look how beautiful that is. That's gorgeous. That is so beautiful. It's almost like a brioche. My friend. I hope you make it. Oh. This with butter. Make a French toast with it. Make a sandwich with it. I'll tell you, it's almost like a cake. Friends, I hope you make it. It was not difficult. You can all do it. Remember, thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks for watching, friends. Let me tell you. We'll make it French toast in the morning. I'm making a nice sandwich right now. Look how beautiful it is. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. Comes right back. Gorgeous.